Yeah. Good morning. This is Kiran Kumar, CSC Lab Programmer. Today I'm discussing the execution of packages, some errors, what happened in the execution, and how to creating a package. So, first of all, go to the code. The first my code is account balance.java is my code. It has an a one class is the balance is my class and another is the main method class is there. The first of all create the package. You can utilize the package keyword by followed by the package name. So the package name it is my package. The so many ways create packages. The first way you are creating the package. First of all you are creating the package. The first of all save as account.java. Oh, sorry. Account balance dot java. So then will create your package in my home directory. So, I'm sorry. So account balance dot java. So you are creating a package. So creating a package means you can create a separate folder. So first of all, you go to the terminal. Then you go to mkdir space p1 because p1 should be given the name p1. Your source file contains what the package name it has, so that will should be given the same name. So p1. So then we can navigate to p1. So in this space you can write your account balance.java. Now can you enter and can write your code. Just write. Let's see. Then enter. You can write your code. Don't copy and paste. Please write your code. The time restrictions, right? Then you can save and close. Then compile Java C space. So my account balance.java. I'm creating. Let's check it. So dot class files, two dot class files because two different classes are involved in that particular package. So I'm giving to that. So you can create the dot class files. So then you can execute Java space account dot class. So in this space, so the in this error regarding this error could not find or load main class file account balance. But here please check it the ls here that you can find out the account balance dot class. So it is interpreter is cannot find the class because once you are which you are creating the package, so executing with the outside the package, that is the problem. So please cd dot dot, so you can come out from your workspace, then we can execute by with the package name. So you can successfully execute. This is one of the error. The main class not found error is the major error for the Java beginners, Java learners. So make it, please find out your error and how to solve the in this video. You can record in this video. So it is a complication. It is the complexity of your programming, but the Java compiler can give the very simple solution by using the minus d, Java C space minus d dot dot. So which is my current version. So what is my current path is by using the pwd. I can give the slash home slash user. So this is my user slash home slash user. So what is given slash home slash the name is the user. This is my path. So it has an account dot package. I am placing in that. So once your before creating the p1 dot package, I am deleting. So close Java C space minus D. It dot indicates the current location. So your which is your current location? /home/user is your current location. That package will create in the particular location. So please make a note. So dot represent the current notation. So I can give in the account dot Java. I'm giving it that. So it is successfully compiled. There is no complication. Java C space p1 dot Java. Sorry. P1 dot account. So it is not in a current directory. So that way you type entire class name. Account balance. If you request, if you're not processing, suspend the request. So here some of the problem is there. Oh, sorry. P1 dot. So I'm sorry, the previous account balance, some of the mistake is there. So SSUUNT. So I'm sorry, there is no spelling mistake, but I am giving to the Java C compiler. So that is the mistake. So here I am giving to the Java interpreter that is executed successfully. So in this regard, it's very easy to creating the package and executing the package. So these two methods are very useful. So the second one is the preferable, but you are creating this location, but your package is creating the another location also. So for example, I am creating my package within the document location, some other location. So music is my sorry. So document location, I am creating the package. So here there is no P1 package is there. So I am creating my package name. So the first of all, take the terminal. The first of all, navigate the document. Yes, PWD. So this is my path, which is my desired path to creating my package. So I am copy and please close the terminal because I am. So remove the dot and paste it to your location. Which location you are creating, your desired location, then we create it. So please go to your documentation section. So your package, P1 package is created. So your current location, you can create the any other locations. So it is very easy to creating your packages. So it is the preferable version. So please use this version and creating your packages. So later before the version you are creating some of the commands mkdir cd. So after your navigating cd or creating your compiling, then you can come out your package and execute the package. So these are the complexity. So please identify your simply methods and make practice to become a good programmer. Thank you.